ಹಲೋ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿ-ಟೆಟ್ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೆಡಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಈ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ನ MCQs ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೆಡಗಾಗಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಗ್ರೌತ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಗ್ರೌತ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಓವರ್ ಆಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಮೋರಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ, ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ, ಓವರ್ ಆಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ refers to option A quantitative change, option B qualitative change, option 3 sudden change, option 4 temporary change. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಗ್ರೌತ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಎಮೋಷನ್ಸ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಪರ್ಸನಾಲಿಟಿ. ಸೊ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡಿ, ವಿಚ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಎಮೋಷನಲ್ child? That is a question. I will repeat again. Which development occurs first in a child? Option A emotional, option B physical, option C social, option D moral. The correct answer is option B physical. Next fifth question ನೋಡಿ, development proceeds from head to toe is called. I will repeat again. Development proceeds from head to toe is called. Option A proximo-distal principle, option B cephalocaudal principle, option C heredity principle, option D maturation principle. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೆಫೆಲೋಕಾರ್ಡಲ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಟು ಔಟ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್. ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಟು ಔಟ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸೆಫೆಲೋಕಾರ್ಡಲ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೋಡಿಸ್ಟಲ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ learning principle. The correct answer is proximo-distal. Seventh question, heredity influences. Option A environment only, option B intelligence and physical traits, option C teaching methods, option D school discipline. So correct answer is intelligence and physical traits. Intelligence and physical traits. Eighth question, environment means option A school only, option B family only, option C surroundings influence development, option D teacher only. The correct answer is surroundings influencing development. Surroundings influencing development. Ninth question, the period from birth to 2 years is called. The period from birth to 2 years is called. Option A childhood, option B adolescence, option C infancy, option D adulthood. The correct answer is infancy, option C infancy. 10th question, adolescence period is between option A 6 to 12 years, option B 12 to 19 years, option C 2 to 6 years, option D 20 to 30 years. The correct answer is option B 12 to 15 years. Next 11th question, emotional development is related to? Emotional development is related to option A feelings, option B height, option C weight, option D bones. The correct answer is option A feelings. The correct answer is option A. 12th question. Intelligence is defined as ability to intelligence is defined as ability to first option memorize, option B think logically and solve problems, option C read only, option D write fast. The correct answer is option B think logically and solve problems. 13 question. According to Paget, children learn best through. According to Paget, children learns best through option A rote learning, option B passive listening, option C active interaction, option D punishment. The correct answer is active interaction. According to Paget, children learn best through active interaction. 14th question. Paget's first stage of development is. Paget's first stage of development is option A pre-operational, option B concrete operational, option C sensory motor, option D formal operational, option C sensory motor. Paget's first stage of development is sensory motor. Next, fifth question. The age group of sensory motor stage is. The age group of sensory motor stage is option A 0 to 2 years, option B 2 to 7 years, option C 7 to 11 years, option D 11 to 15 years. The correct answer is 0 to 2 years. Option A is correct answer. Next, 16th question. Ecocentrism is seen in which stage? Egocentrism is seen in which stage? Option A sensory motor, option B pre-operational, option C concrete operational, option D formal operational. So the correct answer is pre-operational. Egocentrism is seen in which stage? Pre-operational stage. Option B is correct answer. 17th question. Logical thinking develops in. Logical thinking develops in option A pre-operational stage, option B sensory motor stage, option C concrete operational stage, option D infancy. The correct answer is concrete operational stage. Option C is correct answer. Logical thinking develop in option C concrete operational stage. 18th question. Abstract thinking develops in. Abstract thinking develops in option A concrete operational stage, option B formal operational stage, option C pre-operational stage, option D infancy. So correct answer is option B formal operational stage. Abstract thinking develops in pre-operational stage. Next, 19th question. According to Vygotsky, learning is a individual process, social process, biological process. Option D, physical process. The correct answer is social process. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನು ಲಾಸ್ಟು ಟೆಟ್ಟಲ್ಲೂ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮು, ಸಾರಿ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 20 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಝೋನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ZPD is given by. 20 ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಝೋನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ is given by ಆಪ್ಷನ್ A Paget, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ B Freud, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ C Vygotsky, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ D Skinner. So correct answer is Vygotsky. Zone of proximal development is given by Vygotsky. Next question, 21 question. Moral development theory was given by. Moral development theory was given by option A. Piaget, option B. Kohlberg, option C. Fred, option D. Thorndike. So correct answer is Kohlberg. Moral development theory was given by Kohlberg. 22nd question. Learning by trial and error theory is given by. 22nd question nodi. Learning by trial and error theory is given by. Option A. Pavlov. Option B. Skinner. Option C. Thorndike. Option D. Bandura. So correct answer is Thorndike. Option C. Learning by trial and error theory is given by Thorndike. Next question. 23rd question. Operant conditioning theory was given by. Operant conditioning theory was given by option A. Pavlov, option B. Skinner, option C. Thorndike, option D. Watson. So correct answer is option B. Skinner. Operant conditioning theory was given by Skinner. Next question, 24th question. Classical conditioning is associated with. A classical conditioning is associated with option A. Skinner, option B. Palo, option C. Bandura, option D. Fred. So correct answer is Palo. Classical conditioning is associated with Palo. Next question, 25th question nodi. Reinforcement increases. Reinforcement increases. Option A. Punishment. Option B. Learning. Option C. Forgetting. Option D. Fear. Correct answer is option B. Learning. Reinforcement increases learning. 26th question. Positive reinforcement means. Positive reinforcement means option A. Giving reward, option B. Giving punishment, option C. Removing reward, option D. Ignoring behavior. So correct answer is option A. Giving reward. Positive reinforcement means giving reward. Option A is correct answer. Next question nodi, 27th question. Learning by imitation theory was given by. Learning by imitation theory was given by option A. Thorndike, option B. Skinner, option C. Bandura, option C. Palo. So correct answer is option C. Bandura. Next question. Motivation means. Motivation. What is motivation? Motivation means option A. Punishment, option B. Reward, option C. Inner drive to act, option D. Fear. So correct answer is inner drive to act. Next question. 29. Individual difference are related to. Individual differences are related to option A. Same ability, option B. Different abilities, option C. Same intelligence, option D. Same environment. So correct answer is different abilities. Individual differences are related to different abilities. 30 question. Inclusive education means option A. Only normal children, option B. Only disabled children, option C. Education for all children, option D. Special school only. So correct answer is education for all children, option C. Inclusive education means education for all children. 31st question. Learning disabilities include option A. Dyslexia, option B. Dysgraphia, option C. Dyscalculia, option D. All of the above. So correct answer is option D. All of the above. Learning disabilities include dyslexia, dysgraphia, option C. Dyscalculia. So all of the above answer is correct. 32 question. Dyslexia is related to difficulty in. Dyslexia is related to difficulty in option A writing, option B reading, option C mathematics, option D speaking. Dyslexia is related to difficulty in reading. 33 question. Gifted children have option A low IQ, option B average IQ, option C high IQ, option D no IQ. So correct answer is option C high IQ. Intelligent question. IQ means gifted children have high level of IQ. 34th question. Intelligence quotient IQ formula is, I will tell directly, option B MA divided by CA into 100. Intelligence quotient formula is MA divided by CA into 100. 35th question. Continuous and comprehensive evaluation CCE focuses on option A final exam only, option B rote learning, option C overall development, option D punishment. So correct answer is option C overall development. Continuous and comprehensive evaluation CCE focus on overall development. Option C is correct answer. 36th question. Learning is best when it is option A fearful, option B meaningful, option C forced, option D mechanical. So correct answer is meaningful. Learning is best when it is meaningful. 37th question. Teacher should act as acts. Option A dictator, option D facilitator, option D furnisher, option D controller. So teacher should act as facilitator. Option B is correct answer. Next 38th question. Child centered education focuses on child centered education focuses on option A teacher, option B curriculum, option C child's needs and interest, option D examination. So correct answer is child's needs and interest. Next 39th question. Play 39 question. Playway method is suitable for option A adolescents, option B adults, option C young children, option D teachers. So correct answer is young children's. 39th question. The correct answer is young children. Next question. 40 question. Socialization begins from A option A school, option B family, option C playground, option D society. So correct answer is family. Socialization begins from family. 41st question. Language development is fastest during option A infancy, option B early childhood, option C adolescence, option D adulthood. So correct answer is early childhood. Language development is fastest during early childhood. 42nd question. Moral values are developed through. Moral values ಯಾವಾಗ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಫಿಯರ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. 43 question. Attention span of children is option A very long, option B fixed, option C short, option D unlimited. Attention span of children short irutte. Option C is correct answer, short. 44th question. Learning is a temporary change option D permanent change in behavior, option C physical change, option D emotional change only. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ permanent change in behavior. Learning is a permanent change in behavior. 45th question. Memory is related to A storage of information, B physical growth, C height, D weight. Memory is related to option A storage of information. Next question 46th. Forgetting means 46ನೇ question. Forgetting means a loss of learning. Option B temporary inability to recall, option C punishment, option D no learning. So correct answer is temporary inability to recall. Forgetting means andre temporary inability to recall. 47th question. Assessment for learning is called option A summative, option B diagnostic, option C formative, option D norm referenced. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಟಿವ್. ಅಸೆಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಟಿವ್. 48ನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನು 48th ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಟೀಚರ್ ಶುಡ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ option A only bright student, only weak student, option C individual differences, option D same ability. Teacher should respect individual differences. Option C is correct answer. 49th question. Motivation can be option A intrinsic, option B extrinsic, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. Motivation can be both intrinsic and extrinsic. C is the correct answer. Both